This video shows the basic setup and configuration of an ecobee thermostat for a Harvest thermal system. We're going to be working with the R, W1, W2, C, and G wires for this thermostat install. We're going to leave it as a homeowner setup, and we only have the RC wire connected. The ecobee is quite good at sensing which wires you have connected, so it should be the same list of GC, RC, W1, and W2. And we also have no further accessories installed. We do want to configure the ecobee to be controlling a furnace, but we don't want the ecobee to be controlling the fan, so we allow that control to be done by the furnace, which in this case is the Harvest thermal system. We next name the thermostat. We do want to set up the ecobee with Wi-Fi. So you need to get the Wi-Fi network and password from the homeowner in order to be able to enable that. We're now ready to set up the basic parameters of the thermostat. We're going to set it for heat only. And we're first going to set our ideal temperature for the home, say 68 degrees in the winter. We do need to set up the country of residence and the time zone so it gets time correctly. That finishes the basic setup, but there are two additional parameters we want to set. The first is the heat differential. The hamburger icon in the top right gets us into the main screen, and then the sprocket icon in the lower right gets us into the main menu, which we can scroll through to find settings. Once we've got settings, we can scroll again to find installation settings, and then once more into thresholds. The heat differential setting that we want is hiding until you change the configure staging from automatically to manually, and then you can see the heat differential temperature below, and we want to set that to 1 degree Fahrenheit. We also want to set stage 2 heat delta, and to find that we need to scroll down until we see heat stage 2 temperature delta, and that we want to change from automatic to 2 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, we have the ecobee set up to work well with the Harvest thermal battery system.